Mango season is approaching and it's gonna get hotter, and what's better than a refreshing, sweet mango lassi? Let's get started. Now unfortunately, I can't get the good Indian mangoes in Canada. So I'm using some frozen mango chunks. It's the best thing that I have for now. But my all-time favorite mango in India is the Langra Aam, which is one of the best. It has a nice orange flesh and the natural sweetness is just amazing in that, and it's one of my favorites. I would have loads and loads and loads every mango season. I'm sure you do as well. So pick your favorite mangoes, whatever the best kind is that you can find, and I'll show you how to make this lassi. Now here I'm using a 1:1 ratio of mangoes to yogurt, and it's the yogurt actually that makes it a lassi. The ratio of the milk to yogurt would be 1/2 to 1. So add your yogurt, mangoes and milk into your food processor. Make sure it's a powerful one if you're using frozen mangoes, and then add in your sweetener. I am putting the Canadian in this lassi by adding some maple syrup, but you can use sugar or any other favorite sweetener which you enjoy. Then blitz it up until it's really nice and smooth, super thick. Let that blender go for at least 30 seconds, incorporate that air, and at the end of it, you're gonna see something that's thick and creamy, just like this. Now for the yogurt, don't go for something like Greek yogurt, because Greek yogurt has a bit of an aftertaste, and you want something that's kind of neutral. Pick a great, creamy, plain yogurt. And that's how you make a sweet variation of a mango lassi. Now there are other variations as well, the salty and the spicy kind, and stay tuned on this channel to see how to make those as well. Make sure to hit subscribe, hit that bell icon, enjoy your mangoes, stay fresh, stay active, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.